Welcome to the Civil Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed down 53 points. Investors were still worried about the U.S. China trade talks. Reddit raised $300 million, pushing its value to $3 billion, and EA stock shot up in after hours after discussing Apex Legends' popularity. Monday was a pretty slow news day for the markets. On Tuesday, the Dow closed up 372 points. The market bulls were excited that a deal to avert a second government shutdown was put on the table. In earnings news, Activision Blizzard missed on revenue by $200 million, but earnings per share of $1.29 was in line with analyst estimates. Shopify beat EPS estimates by 5 cents and revenue estimates by $16.4 million. Groupon missed EPS estimates by 3 cents but beat revenue estimates by $16 million. Under Armour beat revenue estimates by $10 million and EPS estimates by 5 cents. And TripAdvisor missed EPS estimates by a penny but beat revenue estimates by $3 million. And Molson Coors beat EPS estimates by 5 cents but missed on revenue by $120 million. On Wednesday, the Dow closed up 117 points. Investors were optimistic after the White House stated it would be open to extending the deadline on the U.S. China trade war ceasefire. In earnings news, Cisco beat EPS estimates by a penny and revenue estimates by $30 million. YELP reported an EPS estimate beat of 27 cents and a revenue beat by $2.6 million. And Teva Pharmaceuticals missed EPS estimates by 2 cents but beat on revenue by $30 million. On Thursday, Valentine's Day, the Dow closed down 103 points. The stock market reacted negatively to weak retail sales data. Another big story that influenced the markets was Amazon deciding against its New York City headquarters. Amazon stock declined over 1% on the news. In earnings news, Nvidia beat EPS estimates by 17 cents but missed on revenue by $30 million. Coca-Cola missed EPS estimates by 25 cents but beat revenue estimates by $30 million. And Applied Materials beat EPS estimates by 2 cents and revenue estimates by $40 million. On Friday, the Dow closed up 443 points. The markets reacted favorably to China's president announcing that the trade negotiations would continue in Washington next week. Mattel stock fell hard after the company gave guidance that was worse than analysts had hoped. In earnings news, Pepsi reported earnings per share of $1.49 and revenue of $19.5 billion. Both numbers were in line with analyst estimates. And Dare & Co. missed EPS estimates by 22 cents, but beat revenue estimates by $90 million. Overall, the S&P 500, the Dow, and the Nasdaq were all up for the week, marking the 8th straight week of bullish markets. If you bought the dip in December, hats off to you. In crypto news, crypto continued to trade sideways. Bitcoin closed the week out at $3,562.95. Ethereum closed the week out at $120.35. Litecoin closed the week out at $41.78, and Ripple closed the week out at 29 cents. Crude oil closed up on the week at $55.81 per barrel. A big winner for the week, We Day Limited, which saw a 35% increase on the week. A big loser for the week, Funware, which lost over 60% of its value on the week. The markets giveth and the markets taketh away. Thanks again for checking out the Civil Reports Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.